get you started using the T3 switch kit. Swapping out your barrels is so simple. We have a tight twist lock. Currently it's in the lock position. I'm going to twist it, and now it's in the unlock position. You can go ahead and remove your barrel. Select whichever barrel you want to start styling with. There's a little notch on the barrel. You want to align that with the base, and you'll hear it click into place. Then you can go ahead and take your tight twist lock and put it back into the locked position. Now you're ready to style your hair. Click the power button to turn the tool on, and you'll see the light start cascading up. Now there are 9 precise heat settings on this tool, which means there's going to be the perfect heat setting for every individual and personal hair type. We recommend you select your heat setting based on your hair texture. So if you have a fine hair type, use heat settings 1 through 4. If you have more of a medium texture, select heat settings 5 through 6. And if you have a coarse hair type, use heat settings 7 through 9. To change your heat setting, you're going to double click the power button, and then you'll notice the lights are flashing. I can go ahead and select my heat setting. I have fine hair, so I'm going to use heat setting 3. Once you've selected the proper heat setting, you can go ahead and take your hand off that power button, and the tool is going to start heating up for you. To turn off your tool, very, very simple. You're going to press and hold that power button. You'll see all of the lights cascade down, and there you go.